Okay, so the battery has been on my big commercial charger all night long, charging at 10 amps. Finished it off early this morning with a trickle charge at 2 amps. I've got it hooked up now to my load tester. This thing is a really good tool to have. So if you look at the gauge here, it's hooked up. Look at the gauge, it's showing 12 volts. So it has a full charge. But then this little toggle switch down here, I'm going to put the flashlight in my mouth. This little toggle switch puts a load on the battery, which simulates the load of a car starting with a starter. And what happens is there's some coils in here that are going to get red hot. So basically what you're doing is a dead short, positive to negative. You're putting a load on the battery. It simulates you starting the car with the key. And you look at this gauge and you see where the needle goes on the gauge, and it should stay up in the green zone. If you look right here, you can see here's the needle. It's showing 12 volts. Here's the weak zone. So when you put the load on it, these coils in here are going to get red. Watch. See the needle? It's down in the weak zone. See the coils getting red? Look at the needle. It's down in the weak zone. This battery right out of the crate is no good. So that is where we're going to start. We're going to get a different battery for it and put that in there and see what happens. Should solve the problem, but we could have a 1-2 punch where the starter is also bad, because when I was underneath there looking at the situation, the starter is old. So, but we obviously have a faulty brand new battery, just like I thought. So we're going to purchase a battery first, put it in there and see what happens, and go from there.